Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can get the floating boombox in the Spotify Island event. Okay, so let's just get straight into it. I'm going to start up the Spotify Roblox event. Okay, so we just have to wait for the game to load up real quick and then we'll get straight into the tutorial. Okay, so we're in the event right now, and if you click this little button here on the right hand side, it should show you all the things you need to do in order to get the floating boombox. You need to finish both of the music game badges, producer and play for producer. So we're going to do that, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. So let me just exit out of here, and now we can begin. So just bounce off that ramp over there, and we want to make your way kind of to the right hand side. You can see in the far distance we have a little pad that we can jump onto. So we're going to move on over there. So let's just hop on over to this, bounce on it, and here's the musical notes. What you need to do is you need to just keep bouncing on it 10 times or so. So just make your way around it and bounce on it. So let me do that real quick. Whoops, I made myself so I got the playful badge there unlocked. You can see on the bottom right hand corner. So that should do it. Now we need to make our way down from there. And then we need to you'll see like a sort of a cave with some crystals here. So you want to interact with this real quick and then enter the cave just like that. And you can see these musical notes. You just want to keep bouncing on them. So we are unlocking badges quite frequently on this event, which is okay. And now we got the producer badge, which was the previous one. So you just need to keep bouncing on these things. Okay, so I'm going to leave, and then I'm going to go ahead and check my inventory real quick to see if we got the floating boombox. Okay, so if I go to my avatar editor, you can see here that I currently have the floating boombox. It's kind of alright, but let me know what you think about it in the comments. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.